Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question with fractions. So let's start. What is the question here? There was an equal number of girls and boys in the hall at first. After 160 girls and 500 boys left the hall, there were 3 times as many girls as boys who remained in the hall. They given 2 questions to find it out. What fraction of the children who remained in the hall were girls? This is the first question. And next, how many boys and girls were there in the hall all together at first? Read the question carefully and understand it. What they given, what we have to find it. Let's see how to solve this problem. The number of girls equals to number of boys. In the question they given this. Let's assume this number be x. After 160 girls and 500 boys left. So number of girls remaining equals to x minus 160. Number of boys remaining equals to x minus 500. According to the given, number of girls remaining is 3 times the number of boys. So, x minus 160 equals to 3 of x minus 500. X minus 160 equals to 3x minus 1500. 3x minus x is 2x. 1500 minus 160 equals to 1340. X equals to 1340 divided by 2 equals to 670. So, initially there were 670 girls and 670 boys are there. Now we are going to solve the first question. Number of girls remaining 670 minus 160 equals to 510. Number of boys remaining 670 minus 500 equals to 170. Total children remaining, we have to add number of girls remaining and number of boys remaining. 510 plus 170 equals to 680. Fraction of girls equals to 510 divided by 680. 0 will get cancelled. 17 3s are 51. 17 4s are 68. So 3 by 4. The fraction of children who remaining in the girls were 3 by 4. The second question. Initially there were 670 girls and 670 boys. We have to making total here 670 plus 670 equals to 1340. So the girls and boys all together at first is 1340. Thank you for watching. To make sure you understood the concept, let's run through the entire solution one last time. Take a look at the full video to see the step-by-step process. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubts about this problem, please ask me in the comment section.